How to increase your iPhone volume by 200%. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for ways to make your iPhone noticeably louder without installing any apps, here is what you can do. For this, head over to your device settings. Next up, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Now, scroll down and find the option of audio and visual. It is under the hearing section. After tapping on it, tap on headphone accommodations. From here, toggle on the option of headphone accommodation and move the slider towards the strong. This way, the soft sounds will also be boosted into the strong sounds, emphasizing on high frequencies, making sound feel louder or clearer. So this is how you can boost the loudness with accessibility. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.